So now I'm gonna show you how to style your hair to achieve your best volume result. I'm gonna show you how to use the 30, 60, 90 method to start out very light with product and not put too much product close to your root or your scalp. Instead, you're gonna start out very light. You're not gonna put product too close to your root, and you're gonna go apply product little as you go, as you dry. When you put too much product, it weighs your entire hair down, weighs your curl pattern down, and doesn't allow your hair to be voluminous. Too much product equals too heavy, weighed down. Now I'm going to blow dry with the Rizos Curls Diffuser. And once again, like I mentioned, I'm going to blow dry with my hair upside down, or I would throw it to the side, and upside down. And this helps me, again, not create a part in my hair and allow my hair to be extra voluminous and naturally do its own thing. I personally like to blow dry on medium heat, and I usually alternate. If I wanna, like, I'm rushed, I go to high and then I go to medium, but usually you don't need to go hotter than medium, but it's up to you and your own preference. As I'm drying, I continue scrunching my hair and kind of moving my hair up and helping it get curlier and adding volume as I go. Okay, so my hair is about 30% dry. I'm gonna stop, analyze my results, notice what areas might need a little bit more product, and how my hair is drying. Doing this 30, 60, 90 method not only allows me to not overuse product and put too much product in my hair, but it also allows me to kind of control my results. I'm gonna notice that it kind of needs a little bit right here, needs a little bit right there. So I'm gonna add a little bit of product there. So as I'm putting more product in my hair, also, just know that don't be so afraid of frizz. Like some frizz is okay. You know, like if it's so much frizz that it's not allowing your hair to have a curl pattern, then yeah, add more product. But if it's like a little bit of frizz, it's okay. I mean, I'm not afraid of frizz anymore. So when you stop and analyze your hair, if you notice areas that you think are extra frizzy and need more moisture, then I'll recommend adding more of the Refresh and Tingle spray. If you feel like you want it to be more enhanced and the curl pattern to get better, I would add more of the curl defining cream. But just know and notice that the curl defining cream is thicker than the Refresh and Tingle spray. So if you have thinner hair, this will probably be better. And if you have thicker hair, then you can take more of the curl cream. In general, the Refresh and Tangle spray is more for moisture, and the curl defining cream works really good at enhancing and extra defining your curl type. Towards the front of my hair, I noticed that I kind of want some more curl pattern, so I'm adding more curl defining cream to this area. And I'm scrunching as I go. And already I kind of feel like my hair is kind of doing its own thing with a part. I didn't part it myself. It's kind of naturally doing its own thing with a part. Also, usually the back of my head is really frizzy, so I'm adding a little bit more product back there. And then at this point, you can start, if you notice areas by your root that need product, you can go ahead and add a little bit towards closer to the root if you like. And now you continue drying, and I'll see y'all at 60% dry. All right, we're back. My hair is now about 60% dry. Stop, analyze the results. Okay, coming out good. The areas that I finger coiled are looking extra ringlety. And I'm gonna notice and see what's happening. There's like a little bit of, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Refresh and Tangle spray to the back, just because I'm already noticing it's getting a little extra frizz, and I think it needs a little bit more moisture in this area. So I'm gonna take the Refresh and Tangle spray and spray just a little bit. It is close to my root, but at this point, you already know if your root really needs it or not. As you can see, I never parted my hair. There is no part here. I'm continuing to blow dry my hair upside down. I'm allowing my hair to be extra voluminous. So for example, I'm not standing here, just blow dry my hair like this. Instead, I have my hair upside down and blow drying it like this so that it allows it to have extra volume. Now I'm gonna continue to blow dry and I'll see y'all at 90% dry. All right, so we're back. My hair is about 90% dry right now. You can't really tell over there, but the root all around here is still kind of wet. But you can see how my hair is drying. The areas that I finger coiled are extra ringlety. I don't think I'm gonna add any product. I don't think I need more. I'm just gonna continue drying. I'll see y'all once my hair is fully dry in a second. All right, so my hair is now pretty much completely dry. Hope you enjoyed the video and I can't wait to see the type of volume that y'all achieve.